Japanese interval walking, or interval walking training, alternates periods of brisk walking with slower recovery walking. Research led by Hiroshi Noz found that this alternating pattern can improve aerobic fitness, leg strength, blood pressure, and metabolic health more effectively than steady, moderate walking in many adults. The key principle is contrast. The faster phase challenges the system, and the slower phase allows recovery without stopping. But for many older adults, beginners, or anyone building confidence, there's a gap between slow and fast, and that's where flow comes in. Flow is the bridge. Slow helps you establish posture, breath, and balance. Flow helps you maintain those qualities in motion, smooth weight transfer, steady rhythm, relaxed coordination. Fast adds challenge. Instead of jumping from recovery straight into intensity, flow lets you test the pattern first. Slow, flow, fast. That progression improves safety because movement quality is established before speed increases. And if you add poles, like in Norway's Nordic walking tradition, you gain another layer of support. Poles widen your base of support, improve posture, assist balance, and engage the upper body. That can make walking feel safer while also increasing whole body effect. So the progression becomes slow for stability, flow for safety, fast for capacity, poles for support and power. That turns ordinary walking into structured practice, not just moving more, but moving better.